is ATARadio.com. We are the heart of the ghetto.
ATAR, this is ATAR Radio. Ukhuluma nami Solange Hleli nomayeleli from Abaqhakazi Tradings. So Abaqhakazi Tradings, with my understanding, bamekashela ukuthi umuntu uyaqhakaza when it comes to indlela yokuqala because bathina nokoding but of it. So my lady, can you start through ukuthi baqhakazi ithini into lapho?
Sanibonani, Gama Nontoleyo Dlovu, the co-founder and managing partner of Abaqhakazi Trading.
Yeah.
So, the startup company from Ekemont, we make customized schoolwear.
Oh, nice.
Hoping to grow to workwear, hoping to grow to items, especially anything in clothing.
Oh,
We want
yeah.
to go big.
Oh, that's great. So, which means that nami ngifuna ukugqokisela some ngendlela yami uniquely. So, ngafika kubaqhakazi bangithumele ngendlela engifisayo.
For now, our targets, it's not individuals.
Okay.
We like working in bulk.
Oh, yes.
So we targeting our companies,
Companies,
Yes.
schools.
schools.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, ingabe nje nigxile ku-uniform?
For now, sisagxile kwi-uniform because sibonile ukuthi since sisuka eClermont elokishini, there was a challenge with communication between big companies that are doing the uniform
Yeah.
and the schools. You'd find ukuthi i-uniform eyodwa iyagqokwa kwelinye ilokishi ukuthi section page.
Oh, yeah.
So lapho there's no identity, there's no confidence. Uyabona nje kuyaleka nje, there's no uniqueness lapho.
Yeah.
So we decided ukuthi why don't we go to iskole and sebenzisa nabo. We co-design uniform now. We don't just make uniform from without your input.
We customize
According to
specifications.
yes, your spirits and needs.
Oh,
That's how we go.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So nje kuma-schools nje mhlawumbe niyasebenza nawo isiphi isikole okhumulayo nje usinabezela kamnandi uniform yakho?
Currently, siney'kole eziwu-2 eClermont, iKhulugame Full Service kanye neVezamafa Primary School. So lezo y'kole ama-uniform abafani. Unique ngendlela yawo. They have their own bags.
Yeah.
They have their own winter uniform. When you imagine it, we make it.
Oh, nice. You ham it like that. What's up with you ham it like that? Definitely. So, sizizwele mfethu ukuthi abaqhakazi babhizi ngokodini, especially in bulk orders. Let's say you have your team nifuna ukugqoka ikipa zenu, mhlawumbe amasweater enu, anything that has to do with your branding. So, abaqhakazi tradings bakhonela mina. So in this industry, I'm sure there are challenges. What challenges have you guys encountered?
There's definitely other challenges. First of all, Jobasuke Lokshin
Sure.
as savings. So capital is a challenge of any business. So we have to work on this and get that support. And then definitely there's gonna be about time. But you also have to fight through that the into yakho iphumelele. So one of the challenges ebesibhekana nawo lawo. Yeah, and then we are challenging big companies. So kunzima ngoba banayo yonke imishini and stuff, but we always get the confirmation. For example, last year we got funding from Hollywood ESD, Solution of Embroid. So there's always now confirmations of what we're definitely doing something.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Which means me, I'm calling overcoming my challenges when
Yes.
which is the criticism, the capitals and stuff.
Yes.
Okay. So which embroidery, which means when it comes to branding, I embroidered together.
Yebo siyabenzela iveza amafa nje for example.
Yeah.
Ama-items abo bawabhala amagama.
Yes.
To avoid lento leyo yokuthi ingane ilahlekelwe i-item yesikole. Bese isala kwi-lost and found basket akusaziwa okuphambane ngoma ukudlala ama-sports and stuff. So we solve izinto ey'kanjalo depending on your needs.
Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing. So here's all I like if you need anything, your branding, Abakara's tradings are there for you. So let's say now from our viewers, are interested, would say I was funny order when the P.
Okay, in number is 071 77 00182. Yanondobeko, and then partner esebenzisana naye uSanele Hlongwana, inamba yakhe u-068 486 2446. So you can call me or WhatsApp me.
Okay, the number
Nondobeko Ndlovu 071 77 00 182 or uSanele Hlongwane 068 486 2446. Definitely.
Okay, so we have a Tina Clermont, right?
Yes, we're based in Clermont.
That's Clermont. So Eta Radio is a township first voice. So we find out of every amazing things happening within Emakasi, because we know what's in entrepreneurs lapa, I push and vision and right. So with Eta Radio, don't forget to like and subscribe. So my lady, is there anything that you feel like you should tell your viewers out there before we close?
Singajabula nje just to have your support. I keep them because we are a hands-on business. I keep them ingane mesigqokile from Asia. That sparkle, that glow. Hence why I say Abakarazi. We want to bring that private school feeling in Oshini. So singajabula nje ukuthi sithole support yenu. Siyabonga.
Oh, okay. Wow. So since which means easy lama uniform ase Karaza at on the highest. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like and subscribe. This is Eta Radio. Sikona on YouTube, Sikona on Facebook, Sikona online. Go on www.etaradio.com. So
we are the heart of the ghetto.